In front of me is Nokia C31, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off app notifications from apps of your choosing on this device. First of all, go into Settings. Now you need to tap on Notifications. Click on App Settings at the top and click on Most Recent. Following that, select the best option for you, in my case, Most Frequent. Then click on the switcher next to an app from which you want to block your notifications, like Gmail. You can enable them by tapping on the same, now grey one. You can also just click on one of your apps over here and manage all notifications thanks to this switcher next to all Gmail notifications. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!